Greetings from N6TLU. In this video, I'm going to give this beautiful Johnson Ranger 1 a checkout. I actually bought this about 5 years ago, and it's just been sitting on the shelf. Okay, this was a custom restoration by K1TLI. That's Chuck Hurley in Massachusetts. He runs the Johnson Radio Restoration website, and he does a great job. He's been doing it for a long time. And I bought it because the thing was gorgeous. I wanted it in my collection, but I'm not going to use it. So it's time to test it and send it down the road. Alright, so let me scan the front panel. You can see he does a gorgeous job. This is stripped down, polished, primed, original Johnson color paint, new logos, etc. All the switches are cleaned and lubed. VFO dial is smooth as silk. Let me show you around the back. Right here is the back of the Ranger. And you can see that at one time somebody did some modifications, some witness holes there. I don't know what it was. And on some of these radios, Chuck actually polishes the chassis. This one looked clean enough to where that wasn't required. The S meter housing has been chromed. I thought that was pretty interesting. And down here, under the keyer platform, is push-to-talk relay. So here we are bottom side. You can see it has all new filter caps, coupling caps, and the audio. The shield's there for the band switch, that's a good thing. There's your high voltage cap and the modulator adjust resistor. I've inspected this. Everything looks good and tight. Switches are all nice and clean. She's ready to go. So we'll give her a functional test. I'm on 40 meters. So we go to tune. You can see my grid. Peak that grid. My drive is at 5, so there's all kinds of grid currents. Good thing. Here is phone. Dipper at about 130 mils. I'm getting a little over 50 watts output. There's my modulator current, around 50 mils. So now, let's take the old microphonium and see the modulation. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. See all kinds of forward modulation. Look at that mod meter swing. All right, so far so good. Now I want to do a full test in my station, and we'll monitor on a 75A4 because I want to hear the audio quality of this Ranger. All right, here we go. I've got my 75A4 monitoring. Now it is actually on the outside antenna where the Ranger is still going into my dummy load. So let's check out the audio quality. It may have a little bit of feedback, but I can deal with that. Here we go. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn up the volume a little bit. Hello. Hello, 1, 2. Nice and crystal clear. It's got that classic Ranger sound. Well, that's a wrap up on the Ranger checkout. You can see she's working great. Now the funny part of the story is the guy that I'm selling it to is best friends with the guy that I bought it from. I met up with the original owner on a highway somewhere in New York. So it was a pickup only deal, but this time it's being shipped. So I'll do a great job, make sure it does not get damaged on the way back. Hope you enjoyed the video.